All right, everybody, get your checkbook ready. It's a 1972 Chevelle wagon. All original paint, body work, hasn't been done. It's got some scratches, got some dents, original patina, all original trim, all original bumpers. It's sitting on airbags. It's got a little air system back here for it. It's in good shape for an old car. No rust on it, doesn't leak. It's got a brand new motor in it. It's a LS1. It was a aluminum 5.3. It was bored out to a 5.7. Original interior, except for the instrument clusters, Dakota digital. And then he's got these gauges down there for his air ride. No cracks in the dash. I mean, the interior is perfect. All original glass except for the front window was replaced. That's the only one that's been changed. Everything else is all original. LS1. It's got a chrome serpentine front accessory kit on it. Upgraded injectors. Those are $7.99 heads, and then it has a upgraded fuel injectors as well. They're not the factory 5.3 fuel injectors. They've been upgraded. It's got the small Texas Speed cam. It has the Speed Engineering shorty headers on it. Flowmaster exhaust, so he's got these electric cutouts. That's what you heard, was these electric cutouts. They just got a remote, so you can open them up and then close them. That's pretty cool. That's aired down. I think that's as low as it'll go. I think at this point the headers are almost touching the ground. I don't think it'll get much lower than that. It's going back up. So it was originally a California car. He had it shipped down here and been building on it for quite a while. I don't know how much money he's got into it, but what he's looking for is $26,000 for it. But he's willing to take some offers if somebody's serious, really wanting to get rid of it so he can move on to the C10 project in the garage. So it had the original build sheet when he got it, and this was in the back seat, so he was able to keep it. But you can see it came from Van Nuys, California plant. In the description below, I'll list everything he's done to the car and the parts and stuff that was used since he's started working on it. I'm also going to list my dad's email in the description below. If anybody's got any questions, they can email him, or you can always drop a comment, and we'll see if we can get it answered. Like always, please subscribe, like, share, ring the bell. Got more stuff coming.